Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video, I have for you, let me put all these things back. Some of them have fallen down. I have for you this low-key and love it makeup kit from Elitty. I hope the name is Elitty only because it's Elitty. It has to be Elitty. Elite type of thing. So this is that makeup kit, and my mom gifted this to me on my birthday. It has, I believe it has like 8 to 10 products, 10-ish, I think 10 products it is. And yeah, let's try this out. Let's go. So this is the whole bundle, the whole kit. Of course, this bag, this pouch was available with the whole kit, and then there are products inside. So as I told you, my mom gifted this to me, and you know, right off the bat when I saw this, I really loved it. I mean, this is cute, this is funky, this is right up my alley. I mean, just look at the packaging. If this is not something that I would like and scream after seeing this, I don't know what else would it be. But yeah, that is that. So I saw it and I was like, wow, this is so good. So right off the bat, what I really understand is that if you are gifting this to somebody, right, they'll be really happy to see it. Now, since I'm somebody who does makeup for literally a living and everything, I have this habit कि मुझे हर चीज makeup में perfect चाहिए, and I try so many products. You know, the best of the best. So it's not very easy to satisfy my how should I say this? Like मेरी जो एक checklist होती है कि foundation में ये चीजें होनी चाहिए, mascara ऐसा होना चाहिए. It is not easy to satisfy that checklist, right? But if you are going to give this to somebody, like let's say somebody like my sister who's young, who's not so much into makeup, जो इतना ज़्यादा seriously makeup को नहीं करती, for that person, I think this kit is such a good thing, है ना? And when I saw this on Nykaa, I couldn't really find बहुत ज़्यादा. I don't know why Nykaa पे ज़्यादा खास products नहीं थे. फिर मैंने मिंत्रा पे चेक किया because मेरी मॉम ने तो मिंत्रा पे से ही लिया था. Right, so I saw कि इस जैसा ही there is a lot more variants. Right, for example, जैसे इसके अंदर जो ये eyeliner है, this is the pop eyeliner, yeah, and this is in the lilac shade. Lilac greens is the color of this pop eyeliner. So I think this is like lilac वाले tone में है ना. And if ये eyeliner green वाले में होगा तो उसका green जैसा variant होगा. I put some pictures over here for you to see कि वो अलग-अलग variant कैसे हैं. So depending on that, इन सबके variants अलग-अलग हैं for how you are buying it. I'm pretty sure like मेरी mom ने सिर्फ ये आगे से देखा होगा कि अच्छा ये cute सा लग रहा है तो उसको ले लेती हूँ. She wouldn't have seen अंदर का just like moms do, है ना. So that is that. So right off the bat, I really loved it, and I think इस kit का जो पूरा cost है, it is more than 2,000 rupees. But when my mom got it, it was on some sale. So I believe she got it around 1,600-ish. And Myntra पे जब मैंने check किया था, the price was around 1,600-ish only. So you can buy this whole kit in 1,600, which is a huge kit, and the products are a lot. Okay, बहुत सारे products हैं. For example, the first thing is this. This is like a sticker का set, and see, this is such a cute sticker set. I'm going to apply this today since I've seen it now. Let's see where we can apply it. Let's keep it in the side. Then there was another thing in this set which is not from makeup category, but my sister has it, and that was the pop socket, right? Same यही वाला उसके अंदर लगा हुआ है, same lilac color में, and she has it. Although it wasn't the most good quality pop socket, like उसको पीछे से निकल जाता है बार-बार, not the tape side, but जो like जिसके ऊपर ये चीज लिखी हुई है ना, वो चीज निकल जाती है. So definitely it's not the best quality thing, but then okay, let's start with these two things. So these are matte over nails nail coat, and these are two nail paints. Okay, so I have applied actually one of them and already applied किया है. Oh, these are actually, one of them is matte and one of them is glossy. I thought ये दोनों same होंगी, तो I think मैंने glossy वाला apply किया था. जो I'll put pictures for you to see. मैंने apply किया था ये already, which is this color, right? This is in the shade glossy. Then again, yeah, Planet Her. Planet Her is the name, and this is how it looks. It is a very pretty, how should I say this? This is like a sage green mint-ish color, and I'll show you the picture when I applied this. Not that I'm dying for it, but it's not a bad nail paint. मुझे नहीं पता इसका एग्जैक्ट प्राइस क्या है. इट इज फॉर 200 रुपीज, बट ट्रस्ट मी 200 रुपीज के हिसाब से इतना भी ज्यादा मुझे इसमें नहीं लगा कि बहुत ज्यादा 200 वाला कैलिबर था. दैट इज फॉर श्योर. बट दिस वन इज सीक्रेट क्रश, एंड दिस इज इन द पिंक कलर. आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस सून. I mean, this was pretty glossy, you know, just like your normal जो आपकी nail paints होती थी पहले के time की है ना, glossy सी. And this is matte as they say. For 200 rupees, you would actually expect कि ये chip नहीं होनी चाहिए, बहुत जल्दी dry out हो जानी चाहिए and all those things. But मैंने ये चीज देखी कि actually इतनी जल्दी dry out नहीं हुई थी. So much so that कि थोड़े time में जब मैंने काम करना शुरू कर दिया था तो वो सारी खराब भी हो गई थी. So this is definitely not the most quick drying thing. Then we have another thing. This is lip and cheek tint. Honest Hues lip and cheek tint, and this, let me tell you, is my biggest disappointment from this whole lot. See, it is pretty good. Like, this is Sephora type of packaging. The packaging is good and this is how it looks. But then let me give you a glimpse of what it does. मैंने घिस दिया है ये पूरा अच्छे से कि मेरा हाथ बाहर आ गया है, but ये नहीं निकला. This is so dry, and let me tell you, because it is winter season now, it's not helping it either. Let me just try इसको थोड़ा सा ब्रश से लेके करने की. Not that it's bad, but it has a very waxy smell to it. I'm taking directly from this thing. This has very little color to it, but it's not bad. Like, I'm not hating it. I have to make it work बहुत ज़्यादा, but I'm pretty sure जब थोड़ा सा weather गर्म की साइड जाएगा तो ही बेटर हो जाना चाहिए. I don't know, like क्या मैं इसको अब माइक्रोवेव में चला कर लाऊं for it to work. It has this very, as I said, waxy खुशबू, so maybe इसके ingredients में कुछ wax होगा, which is why it is almost frozen in winter. Although it gave me that very natural hue, I think, as I said, like, it is a very teenager type of makeup, you know, something that you would really love to wear on a daily basis. Maybe that is what they were catering towards, I don't know, but it's not bad. It's just a lot of hard work. Also, all of these products are cruelty-free, vegan, and no harsh chemicals, no parabens and sulfate, and free from, you know, chemicals and all that stuff. So that is that. So this one, I would say, is not the best, but I just hope I can make this work in summer. This was in the shade Savage Love. The names are very, you know, like TikTok-ish. Then we have this. This is all about that base BB cream. I applied this on my birthday. Right, and इसके बाद actually एक दो तीन चीजें रह गई हैं, which is all eye makeup. So I will take you through them quickly. So this is a mascara, right? This is the Lush Lashes mascara, and this is all eyes on you top eyeliner, right? And then we have this Blackout Kohl Intense Kajal. This is really pretty, and I'm not going to apply this kohl today because I'm not going to do a makeup जिसके अंदर मुझे कोल की जरूरत होगी. This is how it is, just like, you know, Lakme का होता है, and twist and turn वाला. It's good. Let's see like कितना pigmented है. Oh, it's pretty creamy. Oh, okay, this is good. Like really creamy. Good. So basically परसों मुझे शादी में जाना है, right? And I'm going to apply this kohl, and we will do a wear test. ये कितनी देर तक चल जाता है ना? So yeah, I think a good test would be then. And this one costs 300 rupees. And now we have only 3 products to test. So let's start off with the BB cream. Now right off the back, this BB cream, this is in the shade Set It in Sand. Medium shade है ये. So मुझे नहीं पता इसके कितने शेड्स आते हैं. Again, this is pure natural, paraben free, cruelty free, vegan, safe for you, alcohol free, no harsh chemicals, made with natural fragrances. And coming to this part of natural fragrances, let me tell you, this has such a this has a jasmine fragrance which is so strong कि मैंने जब इसको निकाला ना, मुझे तभी इसकी खुशबू आ गई थी. इट इज रियली रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग. और ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अप्लाई करोगे तो वो डिफ्यूज हो जाएगी, वो रहेगी, वो वहीं रहेगी, वो जाती नहीं है until unless आप उसको साफ कर दोगे. सो इफ यू आर somebody who really does not like the fragrance in their makeup, this is definitely not for you. इसको मत यूज करना. Right now it also says it is infused with witch hazel and vitamin E. Infused with, हाँ, मतलब I mean कि सब प्रोडक्ट्स में कुछ ना कुछ infused ही है. For example, this lip and cheek tint had shea butter and witch hazel oil. Witch hazel oil is like something जो हर चीज में है. I don't know. Witch hazel हर चीज में थे. I don't know. कुछ इनकी खदान होगी witch hazel की, and they have applied it in everything. So let's start off with this BB cream. Now, okay, and wow, it looks light right now. This is medium shade, and this is so fair for medium shade. Guys, like I am more on the lighter skin tones in the terms of Indian standard, and मेरे ऊपर medium भी इतना white लग रहा है, so it's not bad. Let's do half face, right? I'll just apply it with fingers. Usually, people like to apply BB cream with fingers or sponges and something like that. Finish is definitely glowy, and this is how my face looks. Ooh, it's actually good. And this is how my skin is normally. Definitely, there is, of course, it does not have like tons of coverage, but a BB cream isn't supposed to have coverage either, which I really like how it looks. Okay, that was a good product. Now let's just apply it over here with the brush. Definitely with the brush you don't need a lot of product. So if you are into satin skin, luminous skin, I am telling you, you're going to like it. But it definitely feels a little drier to me. Like when I apply it, right now I'm feeling like it's giving me a little dryness. I can feel that stretchiness in the skin. So definitely moisturize your skin well, prep it well before applying this. I mean, it does not look artificial. It definitely is giving not your natural skin vibe, but it definitely looks really good. Now, I don't feel कि इसकी fragrance मुझे उतनी ज़्यादा bother कर रही है, but then मुझे fragrances बहुत ज़्यादा bother करती भी नहीं है. So yeah. Now let's come to this eyeliner, and this is how the eyeliner looks. This is the color. You know, this is literally just my hoodie, same color ही है, and इसी के लिए मैंने ये hoodie ली थी, है ना? And this is how it looks. And let me just give you like this is how just one coat looks, right? And you can build it up as much as you want. This is how it looks. So let me finish the eye makeup, then we'll apply the mascara and apply the eyeliner. And yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I have done the eye makeup, and if you can see this whole thing, yeah, this is the eyeliner, and even ये जो inner corner है ये इतना, this is also the eyeliner. So even on eyeshadow, I think it has a good color. And see, I mean, on the top of a dark eyeshadow, it did appear really well. You can see this over here, and also I have applied the mascara, and you can barely tell. But I think this mascara formula, I have this thing with this formula, it's a little too watery, and most of the good mascara formulas are actually a little thick as compared to this one. I find it very watery. But mascara के साथ क्या होता है कि ना, as you use it, वो थोड़ा thick होना शुरू हो जाता है. तो अगर आपके पास शुरू में एक बहुत थिक मस्कारा होगा ना, तो बाद में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा थिक हो जाएगा और आपकी लैशेस क्लम्प होनी शुरू हो जाएंगी. While this is a little watery, अभी थोड़ा थिक होना शुरू होगा, तो I think और ज़्यादा अच्छा होता जाएगा. So yeah, I mean, let's just wait and watch how this works. है ना, मस्कारा को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है रिव्यू करने में. Now let's finally just roll the whole वाली clip, and yeah. Okay, so I have applied the gold. मैंने सबसे पहले तो अपनी अपर लैश लाइन पे लगा के उसे स्मोक आउट किया है और लोअर लैश लाइन पे लगाया जैसे हम काजल नॉर्मली लगाते हैं. एंड आई स्मोक्ड आउट द अपर लैश लाइन. मैंने बिल्कुल भी कोई eyeshadow यूज़ नहीं किया है, इसको बिल्कुल भी सेट नहीं किया है. दिस इज द कोल ऑन इट्स ओन. एंड लेट्स गो टू द शादी. बाद में मैंने इसके ऊपर आईलाइनर भी लगा लिया था बिकॉज मुझे ऐसे बहुत खाली खाली लग रहा था. एंड नाउ यू कैन सी हाउ इट लुक्स. डेफिनेटली लोअर लैश लाइन के ऊपर अभी भी काजल बहुत अच्छे से बाकी है, इफ़ यू कैन सी. एंड आई लाइक दिस काजल. ठीक है, मेरी तरफ से तो रिकमेंडेशन. Okay, so yes guys, this is the final look, and as of the final verdict, let me say this thing to you. The liner is pretty good. Like, I am not hating the liner whatsoever. I think if there is one product that I would say कि अगर आपको पूरी किट नहीं लेनी और सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्ट लेना है तो this liner would be it, because I really love it. And as I said, as I have been saying from the very beginning, this kit is something I would rather suggest to somebody who is rather a beginner, or let's say somebody जो sometimes, you know, they do makeup and they are not very serious about having the most perfect makeup products out there. Beginners and regular makeup users, I think this kit is absolutely perfect for them. But this is a good travel pouch, right? Can you see? It also has this zip over here. मैंने बंद कर दी. So this is the zip. The pouch is good enough. I think whatever my mom shopped, I am pretty content with all of these things and makeup and everything, and I am not hating it. I am actually liking it. I mean, just look at my base today. This is good day, good makeup day, and this is all good stuff. So I think other than the only thing that really disappointed me was this cheek tint, because it is really hard right now, and who knows, like maybe summer में ये ठीक हो जाए, है ना. 43 डिग्री का टेम्परेचर जब लगेगा तो अच्छे पिघल जाते हैं, ये भी पिघल जाएगी. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope you like it. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video guys. Bye bye.